Hi everyone, today we will be making Portuguese kale soup caldo verde. As all Portuguese soups, it's consumed before the main course, but also as a late supper. The soup is usually served in a clay bowl and it should be accompanied with corn bread. This is a traditional Portuguese recipe that takes 35 minutes. This soup is consumed on a daily basis but also during popular celebrations. You will need the following ingredients: 6 potatoes, 1 onion, 1 turnip, 3 garlic cloves, half of a chorizo sausage, olive oil, 300 grams of kale thinly sliced, salt. Peel and coarsely cut your vegetables. Put them in a cooking pot and cover them with water. Add salt. Add the sausage. Cook everything for 25 minutes in medium heat until the vegetables are tender. When the vegetables are soft, remove the sausage. Blend the soup. Add a pinch of olive oil, add the thinly cut kale, turn on your stove to medium heat and cook the kale again for at least 5 minutes. Slice the sausage and add it into the soup. The soup is ready. Enjoy. Bom apetite!